Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to show you how to build this massive spider out of PVC pipe. I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, we're going to pause here for a second. This design you're going to see a short clip of. This is a geodesic cover for fruit trees we used to build the PVC spider that you see in this video. Some information on these. So these shorter ones, they're 17 and 7/16. These longer ones are 19 and 7/8. So that was the parts list that you need to build the dome itself. Go ahead and watch that video. You can go ahead and find that on our YouTube channel for the geodesic cover for the fruit trees. It's a good video to watch. We're just speeding up here because the video would be too long and we have a duplicate video from there. Let's get into how we painted this design and what the parts we need for the spider legs. The one difference you're going to find for the geodesic dome design is we're using Circo pins now instead of screws. It's a better option. It can be taken apart easier. It doesn't require as many tools and it's available now. We're going to go over the parts needed to build the legs for the spider here in a moment. I just wanted to let you know what paint we're using. We're using an interior/exterior glossy enamel, 25-minute quick dry black paint. Another thing I want to focus on is the item you see here. It's the slip tee. The slip tee is a new item that Circo Innovations came out with not long ago. It makes this design able to happen. It basically swivels on the PVC pipe itself, allowing you to place those legs wherever you want and not having to make that cut for a standard tee where you'd have to make two cuts on either side. So you're going to go ahead and see that throughout this project, and we'll make sure we add it in the description for the parts needed. Alright, enough on the painting. Now we're going to go into the sections for those legs. There are 16 sections of half-inch PVC pipe cut to 48 inches long, and for those short sections you're going to need 8 of them. They're cut to 20.5 inches long. Another option is Circo Innovations does carry PVC pipe in black as well as the fittings in black, with an exception of the geodesic dome fittings. Those would still need to be painted for this design. The fittings required to build the legs: first you're going to have 8 of the half-inch 90-degree Ells. You will also need 8 of the 45-degree Ells. That's for the lower section. Those are attaching your short pieces of pipe to the long pieces of pipe. This is where ahead of time you slid on the slip tees, and you're going to tie into those slip tees, and when you get the spider in the position you want, you'll be placing a self-tapping screw or a Circo pin to hold it into place. We have Evan here doing his final touch on the spider, doing a couple extra special effects with that red paint there. Alright, let's get it on the roof. As you can see here as I'm walking, there's 2 sections that we took out on the geodesic dome. That's so it can sit nicely on the ridge of the roof and be more stable and not fall off. Let's go ahead and get those legs on the spider now. Like I said earlier, you can use self-tapping screws or the Circo pins to hold the fittings and the pipe together. Now that that's finished, let's go ahead and put the lights on. In this shot here, you can see we used some icicle lights to build like a web effect. Kind of rounded out this spider design, so it could work better for your house. Just an idea you can throw out there. That's how we built our PVC spider. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so more people can see this video. If you want to purchase any of our items, go to www.circoinnovations.com. Thanks for watching.